At the very least, they shouldn't get to jam it through without the public knowing good and well what they're up to.
Senator Patty Murray fired up on the floor this morning, faulting her Republican colleagues for rushing the process and negotiating behind closed doors.
13 men in a private room wrote this, quote, discussion draft that's not a bill that we're supposed to now look at and decide whether or not we like it.
I'd ask the senator from Washington if she's aware of the fact that under the budget reconciliation process, there will be an unlimited number of amendments that could be offered by either side to the bill that's ultimately filed.
I am well aware of that, and I will remind our colleagues and everybody in this country, what will happen is that there will be 10 hours of debate where we hopefully have more than a discussion draft that we will be allowed to offer amendments on, and there will be no debate on those amendments. No one will know what it is. It'll be a chaotic process on this floor. The American public won't know. We'll be able to tell them days later.
You know, people are tearing through pages right now today.
Senator Maria Cantwell says lawmakers are trying to quickly assess what the details of this bill could mean for their states. It's unknown at this point whether the bill will have the votes to pass. With all Democrats opposed, Republicans can afford to lose only 2 votes.
In a big picture, I think we need to just say to them, look, you need to innovate, not capitate. They're just trying to do a blunt budget mechanism to cut people off of Medicaid, and that's not going to help that population or the general public in controlling costs. There are some ways to innovate and to give people better access to care and help drive down costs, and that's what we should be discussing.